Imagine how this shit feel, bro. This
What
shit
if
probably
it
feel amazing.
vibrates?
Like, what if it vibrates so hard you turn into molecules and that's how you teleport?
What if it vibrates so hard you insta nut?
Okay, so first and foremost, this is an old video. We played this 2 years ago and recorded it, and we enjoyed it a lot, to be honest. And with the recent announcement of Remnant 2, I thought to myself I might as well upload the video of us playing the first Remnant before posting us playing Remnant 2. For those who don't know about Remnant, it's basically just a 3-man squad looter shooter. You can upgrade weapons throughout and upgrade traits. And depending on the archetype you choose, it'll depict like what your gameplay will be like. If you into looter shooters, I think you'll like Remnant, not gonna lie. But anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. That's all I have to say. Enjoy the video. Welcome back to episode 357 of my Minecraft Let's Play. That'd be free. What the fuck?
What the fuck? How did he go in that hole?
You gotta walk up to the thing.
What? Hey,
Hash
don't leave me, bro. Don't leave me, bro.
Wait, Dion, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
I died. What the fuck? It's I died. How did I die? What the fuck?
That person's alive, bro.
Yeah, I mean, he is talking to us, so.
I'm looking for a man.
Are we all? False.
You didn't really answer my question.
You said piss him off.
Which one, bro? Which one, bro?
You're no help at all. He gonna give a fucking turn to a boss.
In fact, and this nigga look like he with the smoke.
When one dies, however, the loss of several made way.
Boy, I bet skip that shit.
Oh my god.
Man, thank you. Farewell.
Hey, bro,
Fuck.
thank you for the help,
Thank
bro.
you. He just reminded me of one of the old people that keep telling stories and shit.
Oh, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
I told you he was with the smoke. Nah, he was with the smoke.
Wait, what
Yeah,
happened?
he would have zapped us, bro.
What the fuck?
Whoa. Whoa.
On the tight.
Oh, fuck, you can't walk over there.
Where the fuck? Okay, get back down. Get down here, bro.
Okay, bro. As you come in, bro.
Oh my god.
Hey, bro.
No, it's gonna be the Aaliyah Hadid scene when she was fucking taking that nigga's soul. He was screaming.
At least I
She was taking a nigga's soul in the hot jab.
I'm gonna drop the link later.
Bro,
yeah,
drop
I
me
know.
that
Nah.
shit.
I know what video you talking about. You talking about that dick drainer scene.
Yeah! The dick drainer scene on the white couch.
Oh. I know exactly what you're talking about. I'm subscribed to them.
You gonna tell mom? Are you gonna tell mom? Boy, hey, I watched that video. Yeah, I always get the job done.
Yes.
Nah, that scene is iconic.
Imagine how this shit feel, bro. This
What
shit
if
probably
it
feel amazing.
vibrates?
Like, what if it vibrates so hard you turn into molecules and that's how you teleport?
What if it vibrates so hard you insta nut?
Nigga put his balls to it, bro. Alright, bro.
Oh
Alright,
my
bro.
god.
Bro, I got a stick stuck in me, bro.
What the fuck?
Bro, this is a whole nother planet, my guy.
You like the planet that Luke
I fuck with this.
from.
I like fighting humans.
Yeah, this does look like yeah, you right.
I'm lagging stupid hard. They're like,
You just lagged out,
Yeah,
bro.
you like that.
oh my god.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm radiated.
Dodge that shit.
Radioactive. Where I'm going?
I think so.
You
I'm
lame as
breathing
hell.
in the chemicals.
What up, y'all?
You think about it, we really committing genocide right now.
Nigga, they coming at us. What the fuck?
Yeah, they with the shits early.
Bro. Oh, it's dog. Damn! He just went flying.
Hey, it's too. Hey, look behind you.
Oh
the dog.
shit! What the fuck are these?
Whoa, what the fuck?
And I'm dead.
Oh my god, dude.
And I'm fucking dead.
I'm dead.
Nice.
Bro, these memes are tough.
This is not the way. Great.
Oh my god.
Why do they put dead ends in games, bro? That
Bro,
shit
this
funny.
map is so fun. This is probably the most confusingest map we've had.
Well, that bitch take us back out. I'm
If
done.
this takes it back out, I'ma cry.
If it takes us back out, I'm gonna slam my head into the monitor.
There's no way because we're supposed that should have took us like to the next zone that we needed to be.
Okay.
Oh.
Did it just?
Oh no, it's good because we're about to fight a boss. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's breach this hoe. Where this shit at, bro?
Where is he at?
They haven't
Maybe-
loaded in yet.
Now maybe we gotta click something.
Maybe this bitch
Oh
glitched
yeah,
out.
yeah.
Yeah, a console, bro. Fuck.
What the fuck? Look at me.
You right beside it.
I'm right beside that shit too.
What?
What
The fuck?
I'm right beside that shit too. He walked past me.
Who are them niggas, bro?
Oh.
One's a range, one's a melee. Be careful, bro.
And the melee
my-
on me. What the fuck are they doing?
They just do a
Oh, this
fucking.
nigga got a shield.
What the fuck? Any the text.
They do a Team Rocket move.
You a little team.
Oh my god, they
Rocket.
spawning ads. They spawning ads.
Whoa!
I'm getting radiated like fuck. Oh my
Alright, look.
god.
Trade point from
Can
there.
we shoot
Yo,
the
how do
barrier
I-
off? He
Shit.
charging at me. Whoa, shit.
Damn it.
Oh my god, bro.
They're doing it again. Shoot him.
Oh my god.
I'm using Dragon Hard real quick.
We gotta break this shield.
3 people total.
4.
Y'all both down?
No.
Bro,
he
no,
dead,
it's just me
he
down.
dead.
One down.
I got you.
Hi,
Get him,
Oh,
get him
you
right
got
quick.
him. You got him. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Let's go.
Go.
Who did that first try?
Facts.
Get it.
That one was easy. That one was easy.
That was nuts.
Not really.